Your contracts are making promises your ops team can't keep. Somewhere in your organization, a service contract defines an SLA, a maintenance schedule, an entitlement, but that promise lives in a PDF while the work happens in field service and your ERP. Nobody synced the two. That gap is where compliance risk creeps in, SLAs get missed, and revenue quietly leaks out. That's the problem service contract intelligence solves. SCI reads every service contract, SLAs, pricing, entitlements, obligations, and turns static documents into structured, actionable data. It scores every clause against your playbook, flags risk, and connects directly into your CRM, ERP, and SAP systems. A contract term doesn't just sit in a file anymore. It becomes a service schedule, a billing trigger, a compliance alert automatically. The results speak for themselves. 70 to 90% less manual data entry, up to half the entitlement errors, and contract onboarding that used to take days now takes minutes. This isn't another CLM tool that stops at signature. SCI is the layer that keeps working after the ink dries, connecting legal, finance, operations, and sales through one system of intelligence. Accrete and Greensand AI. Schedule a demo and see what your contracts have been trying to tell your ops team.